What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get current hashtag that you can use on your reels, on your posts, and you can also measure how trending, if they're trending right now. So welcome over here to Google, to web Instagram, and this is right here, Webstagram. Click on it and you can also access this site right on your phone. Once it opens up, you'll see this scan profile. You can either put here the name of your Instagram or the link. Right here you can put in the name of your Instagram right here. Now you might think, wait, maybe you can spy on someone and check how their post is doing and their hashtag they use. No, you can't do that. Not possible. You can only check your own. Now let me show you how it works. If you look down here, you have examples. NASA, you can see the followers, and you can see the upload, and you can see the engagement is 1.46%. Now you can see Marvel Entertainment, Lady Gaga, Electric Arts, Google, NBA, Eliza White, and you can just check so much of the informations right here on the site. So let's go right into it. If you come up here, click on it. Once you click on it, I've done this before, so it's saved my user ID on Instagram. It's my username. You can scan profile, click on it. Now once you click that, you need to sign into your Instagram for it to now get some information that will be displayed. So now we now click on OK. So now I have to sign into my account. So this year, if you don't have an account with them yet, you can create one. But I have one already, so I'm just gonna click sign login. You can also use Google and Facebook to sign in. So right now I'm going to log in. You can also log in right here using Google or Facebook. So let's click on Google. As you can see, it doesn't take that long to sign into your account. Okay, you can see now, we can now see the information in my Instagram. We can now see the number of posts, number of followers. You can say unique hashtag that I've used and total hashtag. You can now see the popularity. I can see my activities on Instagram. Now popular hashtag fashion, fashion designer, bags. It's a popular hashtag that I have used. Yeah, sounds kind of weird. Then you can check likes, then comments, then followers. Okay, I don't have data on that yet. So right here, if you come up to the left side of the screen, you see search hashtag. You can also hashtag performance, hashtag collection. Now I'm going to come back to this and show you how this works. So let's click search hashtag, come up. Now note, this application is partially free, but what it offers as free is really good. So really you may not need to pay, but if you want more feature, you can pay for it. So right here I'm going to put in an hashtag. So let's go hashtag fashion, then click search. So right here you can now see it says IG post, that people have used the tag in their post. You see the numbers, the average likes they get, the average comments, then used in profile. Well, I guess no one uses it for profile. You can see they click here to select the hashtag. So if I want to select an hashtag, what I need to do is click here, and then come down right here to click here to copy the hashtag. Click on it, and you can see the hashtag right here. Then I can now copy it. You can also notice there you will see save to a collection. But I'm coming back. I'm going to show you something else now. Now look at trend. You can now check for trending hashtag. Click on it. Now see, these are the trending hashtag. This morning when I checked, it was totally different, and right now it's different. So it just keep on changing. So you need to know which hashtag is really useful in your niche. So right here, after we're done copying it, let's say we just want to keep the hashtag somewhere else and come back to it. We're going to come straight to hashtag collection. Click on it. Now once you click on it, come to add collection. Then you can give it a name. Let's say, what's the hashtag for? Is it for my clothes I'm selling? Is it for tech? Is it for maybe for devices? Well, I can just give it a name, device, so that I'll know. Hey, you can also give it the color too. Then paste in your hashtag. Boom, and you cannot save it. See, so when you save it, it's gonna look like this. If you don't choose the color, it will look like this. So I can always come back to it by clicking on it. Boom, and I have my hashtag right here. They can also see here, it says here, you come here, it says the list of banned hashtag changes all the time due to people reporting them or using them against Instagram guidelines. Very often, Instagram temporarily bans harmless hashtag, and it can have a negative impact on your organic growth. Check if all the hashtags you have added to your collections are 100% safe at the moment. Keep your sets updated. You can come right here if you want to check if any of the hashtags you've copied is now being banned on Instagram. So it says, good news, this collection is banned hashtag free. It means all your choices are safe to use at the moment. That's good. None of the hashtag I have here is banned, which means I can use them freely. There's other things. You can see profile analysis. You can do analysis on your profile. You can user analysis. You can see the top 9. Now let me come over here to top 9. So right here you can check the top 9 photos you have uploaded to Instagram. So let's click on show photos. We can also sort the picture by date range. So right here you can even change the range from last month, last 6 months, current year, previous year. So if you want to see a picture that you have posted on Instagram the previous year, you can just come here and click, and it will show you all the previous pictures from the previous year. Then also, yep, these are my pictures that I've uploaded already. Then also we can see the banned hashtag here. So this you can also just, so right here you can see account settings, blog, help, affiliates. You can do affiliates, and you can see also log out from here. And also it also comes with more information like Instagram school. Now let's click on this Instagram school. Now this will take you to a set of resources that you can use to learn more about Instagram, how to grow, how to fix your hashtag now, put links and other things. I mean, just look at it right here, all the resources here, all free for you to grow on Instagram. Now once you click on it, this will take you all the way back to YouTube, and you can now watch the video for free. So that's it, guys. That's how you can get current hashtag that you can use in your reels, in your posts, and grow on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.